Very good morning to all of you. I, Swani of Class 1C, feel honored to conduct today's morning assembly. Prayers gives us strength and show us the right path. So please join your hands, close your eyes and start prayer.
Praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noontime.
Words faded out now when your big tailors to today's news headlines.
Good morning to all of you. Today's news headlines are: Yash Malik from Kanal became the HCS officer. Israel attacked on Hamas.
Good thought shows the right path. I God is my best friend. So listen it. Now Arvind will tell us.
Good morning to all of you. I Arvind Gala of Class of 6. Can you feel the language which brothers can hear and the blind can see? Thank you and have a nice all of you. I Iceland of Class of 6. Love and kindness are never wasted. They always make a difference. They bless one who receives them, and they bless who deserve. Spread a little kindness, sprinkle as you go, send it out into the world, watch it and flow. Plant a kindness garden, the more seeds that you sow, you will find that your own happiness will grow and grow.
Translator. Kindness is an everyday byproduct of all the great virtues. Now Jan will tell us about our assembly topic, the act of kindness.
It means to be good to every person around us. It's a quality being polite and generous to others. A kind person be loved and respected by all.
Now Kabir will recite a beautiful poem.
Kind hearts are the gardens, kind thoughts are the roots, kind words are the flowers, kind deeds are the fruits.
It is like the snow. It beautifies everything it covers. Now Abhyar will recite a beautiful poem.
Friendly wave, a simple present tigers game. It's the way I say thank you and it's the nice things I do.
Thank you, Abhyar. Now some students, our class perform a beautiful